So the weekends are prime time to be productive and get a lot done with the house. We don't have a ton to do, but just a few little things that kind of add up and are gonna take some time. But before I get stuff done with the house, gotta take care of this issue. Look who made it! Woo! Yeah. So now we are about to cook some dinner. Got the good stuff. But also, one awesome thing that just happened in my life. So there's this hat that I bought from a little thrift shop in South Texas like 2 years ago. And it's just the greatest hat ever. I love it. Kylie despises it.
It's the ugliest hat I've ever seen in my entire life. And he only wears it because he knows I hate it.
No, I actually bought it years ago. Now Conor McGregor is making these types of hats cool. So I guess I'm a trendsetter. I don't know. But got this at a thrift shop years ago. Left it at Kylie's house and she claimed to have thrown it away. But look what I just found. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah, I know it's ugly, but it's awesome.
Load her up. Kind of a random meal, but we had spinach, rice, a bunch of veggies, Brussels sprout, and then just chicken on top. And that is Bronson's huge bowl of creamed corn. I don't like that hat.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's real good.
I don't like that either.
Kylie really hates this hat when it's like this. But she really hates it when it's like this.
Yeah, I can agree. That's the worst.
Thank you.
Thank you. Holy crap, that's a lot of Reese's. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Did she say y'all have a good date? She gets us.
Oh, did she say date?
I don't know. Well, we were gonna do some work on the house, but you know what? We've been working so hard on it. Sometimes you just gotta take the night off, get some ice cream, and live life. So,
cheers to that, baby. Don't do that. Good morning. Good morning, y'all.
Oh. Good boy alert. That's a good boy. So if you've seen the other videos, we've got some of the baseboards painted, but not completely finished. So gonna try and get a lot of that done today because we're kind of eager to get flooring in at this point, but want to get the baseboards finished before we put floors in, just so we don't have to worry about cleaning up some of the floors, because we painted in here and we got it all over the floors. So once we get new floors, we don't want to have that same issue and have to clean up after that mess. I got a decent amount of the baseboards and trim done. It's now like 7 o'clock and we are grilling out again. Tim's been grilling some ribs all day. Kylie and I are about to go to the store and get some sides. It's gonna be a nice little meal. Compliments to the chef. Those ribs were fully cooked, so he's learning. Ribs are good. Kylie did great on the vegetables.
So my compliment is that it was fully cooked, and compliment for her was that she did great.
I did great.
Everyone did great. We all put in work, and
Yeah.
they were so
It was a
good.
nice family dinner.
Yeah. So we got veggies. Tim did the meat. Blaine and Kristen did the dessert. Wonderful. Pizookie for dessert. Yo! Alright, it is Sunday morning. We did not do nearly as much as we thought we were going to do yesterday, but hey, we had a good time.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
So now I'm going to paint a little area around the vent. So when we painted, for the most part, we took off the vents and did a good job at painting, but in the living room, I guess we got a little lazy and we didn't take off the vents when we painted. So now when I take off the vents to replace them, there's a little area that's not painted and the new vents don't completely cover it. So now I gotta paint over that. That's gonna have to then dry for a little while. Might have to do a second coat, hopefully not. But then finally I can put the new vents on there.
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Nice, good job. Whoa, God. Nice, good job. Dang, you got a pee head, bro. Being a little cowboy. Hello, vlog. It's a Kylie takeover. Today we are running a lot of errands. I want to go to the thrift store, and then we need to run to Lowe's because Bronson needs to return some of the vents because they don't fit. And then we have to run back to the condo to return some stuff and grab more stuff for his house. And then we're probably gonna head to the ranch so that Ranger can play. We can see my parrots. Yay! Yes, I am sitting in the back seat because Bronson will not get his front door fixed because it won't close. Right there. You can see how we makeshift. It's really actually very innovative, I'm not gonna lie. So he's just my personal driver.
I gotta return these and get better sizes. We need one 12x6.
Hey, we need your help, okay? You got to find a 10x7 vent. Hey. A big one, okay? You gotta find a big one.
Oh yeah, there it is, 10x6. 10x6.
Oh, dude, you can't catch me. I'm too fast, man. Whoa! This is what I do.
Here every freaking day because
It's the life of a homeowner. Who got a cookie from Lowe's? Who got it? Okay, there you go. You know what? This might be expired, but it's dark chocolate with sea salt caramel. I cannot waste this. It's just inhumane if I do that, so.
we got the car loaded up with some goodies. Now we're gonna find Kylie some jorts.
No, but I do need to find some new jean shorts, or jeans that I'm gonna cut into jean shorts, because I make all my jean shorts because I have big thighs. Oh, you look like Macklemore. Show me the arm.
No jorts for Kylie, but she got a dope jacket, that black little ski jacket, so that was cool. But that place, so freaking awesome. That place literally was my home in high school. If you look at any pictures on my Instagram and you see me in a sweater, it's from there. I literally used to wear these sweaters every single day of high school. Still wear them, they're awesome. Best quality ever. And they're like $1, so hell of a deal. Kylie's not feeling well, so we called an audible on going to see her parents, and now she's just getting all cozied up on the couch with some soup. But I got all these goodies from Lowe's and gonna get this all set up because the paint should be dry by now. Finished putting on all the vent covers. We were about to put on a new shower arm and shower head, but realized we don't have plumber's tape, so that's gonna have to wait. Instead, I'm gonna put these hats right up there. Kylie's favorite hat, Sleepy Boy. And that's how it's done. I don't really know if it looks good or cool or whatnot. I don't know. I'm not a design expert, but figured I'd do like a little staggered pattern. That way, you know, it's not perfect. It's not meant to be perfect. They're staggered. Don't have to measure anything. Make sure it's all aligned. So I was like, you know what? Let's stagger it. Art. That's basically a weekend in my life right now. Lots of little work here and there. Haven't really done any huge work in a while because decided to take like a couple weeks of just chilling and doing small bits and pieces of work here and there. If you think this dog is cute, like and subscribe. If you don't think he's cute, then you are wrong.